Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to export Canva to Google Slides in just a few simple steps. If you are searching to import a Canva presentation on Google Slides, you come to the right place. But before we jump into it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I've also added some useful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them. Alright, let's get started. To export your Canva presentation to Google Slides. First of all, open the Canva app on your computer or go to the Canva website. Once you're on Canva, open the design you want to export to Google Slides. Here, I am going to convert this Canva presentation into Google Slides. Once your design opens, click on the Share button at the top right of the screen. From the drop-down, click on Download. Now, under File Type, select PPTX as the format. Once selected, click on the Download button and wait for Canva to prepare the file. Once the download is complete, open Google Slides in your browser and log into your account. Now, click on the folder icon. A pop-up screen appears. At the top right, click on the Upload tab. Now, upload the presentation file .pptx you just downloaded from Canva. Once uploaded, your Canva presentation will automatically open in Google Slides. You can now view, present, or further edit your slides.